I welcome you back to another interesting video on this channel. This is BrainTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll briefly show you how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on one device. But before I show you around, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that right away. This will help you to stay updated with our future videos. Back to business of the day. How you can use two WhatsApp accounts on one mobile phone. The first thing to do is locate your app store to download this app. Search for WhatsApp. WhatsApp is here. You download it and install. After installing, this is what you will have. This is it. This is what you have. Okay, that means we have gotten our first WhatsApp. After that, register it and then start using it. That means you have gotten your first WhatsApp. Note that you are not to use one phone number. All thanks to this device that came with a 2 SIM slot. That means the first SIM should go for this WhatsApp account. Then the second SIM, let me show you what to do. Return back to your Google App Store. Go back to your Google App Store. Go to your search button, your search box on top of the App Store, and type WhatsApp Business. This is WhatsApp Business. Automatically, after downloading this business WhatsApp, it will help you to have more than one account on your device. Install it by clicking on the yellow button. After the installation, it will install on your phone and there will be a shortcut on your phone desktop like the first I showed you. After that, register with the second SIM on your phone. Why am I telling you to use the numbers on your phone? Because it will automatically verify the WhatsApp with your phone number. This will enable you to use the WhatsApp accounts immediately, and you can begin chatting or making voice or video call with a friend just right away. So download it, download the first one, download the second one, install them. Automatically you are using, or you will be using, two WhatsApp accounts on one device. So go back and check your desktop. When you download the second WhatsApp, automatically to fall under letter W. On this channel, we have other interesting videos, especially videos on WhatsApp tutorials. You can search on this channel WhatsApp videos that will interest you. We even have a playlist for WhatsApp videos, up to about 5 to 10 videos. Search for them and watch, and remember to drop your comments and equally like the video, share it with your friends in order to tell them what you have learned today. On this video, how to link or how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one device. After watching it, do well to subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, share it with friends. You can equally stay put to our channel to search for other videos. Apart from the WhatsApp tutorials, there are other videos on Facebook, other videos on your mobile phones, other videos on ad resets, flashing of your phones, making cheap calls and free SMS by sending them. There are other interesting videos how to book boats with your smartphone with the easy steps I listed there. Stay put to this channel. Visit it every day for interesting new videos. See you in the next video.